This full-grain leather is meticulously inspected, ensuring a flawless finish and unmatched durability.
See the damage right here? This won't make premium leather.
Understood. I'll place it with the seconds.
Quality sorting begins here. Hides are meticulously inspected for flaws, separating the premium stock from the damaged. The value of a large, clean hide cannot be overstated. Careful selection is the first step toward premium leather.
Curing stabilizes the hides, preserving the material for transport to the tannery.
Tracking is essential. The hides are separated by quality, ensuring precise control before moving to the soaking drums. The soaking process is crucial for rehydrating the salted hides, preparing them for the next stage. The rehydration process is critical, restoring the hide's natural pliability before liming. Once dehaired, the hide is stretched taut. This crucial fleshing process removes excess tissue, preparing the material for tanning.
The splitting phase reveals two distinct layers, the premium top grain and the softer, suede-like lower split.
The deliming process is crucial for removing excess lime, preparing the hides for the next stage of tanning.
The controlled environment ensures the precise pH balance needed to prepare the leather for the final tanning stage.
The enzyme baiting process significantly refines the fiber structure, resulting in this smooth, relaxed feel and flexible movement.
As you can see, the desired softness is achieved here, long before any final tanning or finishing chemicals are applied.
This critical pickling stage prepares the leather by lowering the pH, essential for the tanning process that follows. Here, the raw hides are finally converted into leather, marking a crucial turning point in production. As the drum rotates, the fibers are transformed, becoming stable during this crucial tanning stage. This is the result of chrome tanning. The hides emerge from the drum as wet blue, signifying the successful transformation into leather. The sammying machine squeezes out excess moisture, ensuring the leather is uniformly flat and preparing it for controlled thickness work.
Controlled moisture helps the next thickness stage. The precision shaving rollers are essential for evening out the notoriously uneven wet blue hide, ensuring a consistent thickness.
After sammying, the shaving process is critical. This ensures the even thickness required for
Wet blue leather is now ready for retanning, where controlled additives will customize its softness, strength, and flexibility.
Settings. It is within these synchronized drums that the leather's properties are engineered, a controlled and process-heavy.
It is inside this rotating drum that the true color takes hold, ensuring a deep, lasting finish. Exits wider, flatter, and more evenly shaped. This scene directly shows the purpose of setting out after fat liquoring. Controlled drying is essential to prevent shrinkage and cracking, ensuring a smooth finish.
As the drying plate seals, the vacuum engages, meticulously drawing moisture from the leather in a precise, controlled environment. In the drying room, precise airflow and careful clipping stabilize the leather, ensuring a perfect finish.
This controlled drying process is crucial, as it transforms the wet hides into workable, durable leather ready for crafting.
Following the drying process, this conditioning phase is essential to restore the leather's moisture balance and inherent softness. The staking plates rapidly flex the hide, loosening the internal fibers.
As the leather exits the machine, notice the improved flexibility. The hand feel test confirms it's ready for the next stage.
Surface finishing begins with controlled buffing to refine the texture. As you can see, the grain is now even, soft, and ready for the next stage of specialized surface finishes.
Polishing is what gives the leather its final, luxurious surface glow.
We look for any surface imperfections. As you can see, even these small defects will affect the final grade.
This meticulous strength inspection protects the final product quality, catching any weak spots or holes before they become costly defects.
To pass inspection, the color must be perfectly even across the whole sheet, with no variation from edge to center.
Grade A selection begins after inspection is complete.
Efficiency is key. These lower grade sheets are meticulously sorted, ensuring every piece finds its industrial use.
Following grading, the irregular hides are scanned to determine the exact square footage, which is essential for accurate pricing and inventory.
Make sure the edges are smooth for the scanner. We need precise measurements before trimming.
This trimming setup ensures a perfectly clean edge, separating the scrap smoothly and preparing the premium leather sheet for the next stage of production.
Once trimmed, the sheets are meticulously sorted by color family. This ensures consistency for the final packing stage. After the initial color grouping, we sort the bundles by thickness. This secondary process determines the leather's future product use. Once sorted, the bundles are tightly wrapped to ensure the leather remains protected during transit. We prioritize secure packaging for dispatch.
Once processed, the finished leather is carefully organized here for dispatch to factories around the globe.
All right, easy now. Slide it to the left.
Got it. Secure the straps.
Looks good back here.
The joining process requires meticulous control, pressing the leather upper and the sole together. This step is crucial.
It's this meticulous attention to detail that elevates a shoe from mere footwear to a work of art.
we see the culmination of the process, a testament to enduring quality and timeless design.
This holistic approach ensures every part of the Qurbani is utilized responsibly, supporting both families and the textile industry.
From deep mahogany to natural beige, the finish can be customized by product need, ensuring variety and quality.
Through careful processing, the coarse fibers are transformed into this supple, high-quality leather.
Here in the finishing area, our skilled team ensures every hide meets the highest standards.
Testament to elegant design, the belt settles into its perfect shape, emphasizing the value derived from the finest hides. Crafted from the finest black leather, the precision stitching and polished edges speak to a timeless design.
The finest leather, supple and strong, smoothed by hand to ensure a perfect drape.
From sustainable sourcing to skilled craftsmanship, the journey of Qurbani leather supports countless jobs and creates beautiful products.
मीट फैमिलीज तक जाता है और स्किन इंडस्ट्री तक.
A testament to quality, the culmination of a journey from skin to this exquisite leather.